Are you tired of scrolling through your Google Photos and not being able to save the pictures you like to your gallery? Well, this video is for you. In under a minute, I'll show you how to save Google Pictures to your gallery with ease. All you need is your phone and an internet connection. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start saving those pictures. To get started, first open up your Google Photos app, and then once you are on this screen, you will see all of your photos that are available in Google Photos. So go ahead and tap on the photo that you want to save to your gallery. And then what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap Download. And it will save this photo to your phone's gallery. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.